On today's menu, we have Karl Ehmer Dill Chip fried pickles. I'm going to start off with an inch of oil over medium-high heat, and you're going to drain your pickles like so. Be sure to reserve a little of that pickle juice on the side. We're going to use that in the batter. And then you're going to pat them dry. This is going to help the batter stick to the pickles. Next, we're going to make our batter. You're going to take a cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and a big dash of hot sauce. You're going to use a little of that pickle juice we reserved with the water, cup to a half cup, adding in slowly to ensure you get a good consistency. I'm adding a little more water because mine was a little thick. And now we're going to make our side sauce. That's going to be a half cup mayo, a tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a dash of hot sauce, and 2 tablespoons ketchup. Mix together until smooth. And now we're ready to fry. You're going to work in small batches, dipping your pickles in the batter we made, and then putting them in that hot oil. It should take about 3 minutes on each side to get a golden brown crust on them, and there you have it. Karl Ehmer Dill Chip fried pickles.